Tired of boring, plain charts in Word? I know the feeling. You spend time putting data together, making sure the numbers are right, and then it just sits there on the page looking flat. But here's the good news. You can fix that. In this video, I'll show you how to add a stunning background image to your chart, and honestly, it takes less than a minute. Let's dive in. I'll walk you through this in 6 simple steps. By the time we're done, you'll have gone from a plain, basic chart to something that actually looks polished and professional. Let's start by selecting the chart. So the first thing you want to do is click directly on your chart, and I mean actually click on it, not just the area around it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border appear around the edges, kind of like a frame. This is important because if the chart isn't selected, the options we're about to use just won't show up. So go ahead and click that chart. Now that you've got it selected, look up at the top of your Word window. You'll see a bunch of tabs: Home, Insert, Design, and so on. What you're looking for is the Format tab. It should appear right near the end of the ribbon, and it only shows up when your chart is selected. So click on Format. This is where all the styling magic happens. We're going to dig into one specific option here. Next up, find the Shape Fill button. It's usually in the Shape Styles section of that Format ribbon. It looks like a little paint bucket pouring out color. Now here's the key. Shape Fill doesn't just have to be a solid color. It can be a gradient, a texture, or even a picture. That's what we're after. So go ahead and click on Shape Fill. A drop-down menu will pop up with a bunch of color swatches. But we don't want any of those solid colors today. Look toward the bottom of that menu and you'll see an option that says Picture. Click on that. This is where the fun begins, because now Word is going to let us swap that boring background for something much more interesting. Now this is the part where you get to choose your image. A window will open up and you'll have a few options. You can pick a picture from your computer, or if you have one saved online, you can grab it from there. I usually just browse my files. Find an image that works with your chart's data and color scheme, something that doesn't distract from the numbers but adds a nice visual touch. Take your time with this. Once you've found the perfect one, select it. Finally, click that OK button. And that's it. Just like that, your chart now has a custom background image. It went from flat and forgettable to something that actually catches the eye. You can always go back and change the image or try a different one if it doesn't look quite right the first time. The process is exactly the same. So next time you're putting together a report or a presentation, don't settle for plain charts. A small change like a background image can make a huge difference. And honestly, now that you know how to do it, you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.